in page 1. And they are supposed to investigate into 1, utilization of resources set aside for operation and maintenance, including members' per diems and related budgetary lines. 2, the ad hoc committee will recommend appropriate actions emanating from the findings of the said investigation. This House also resolves that the following members be proposed and adopted to constitute the ad hoc committee. The proposed members are Honorable Naftali Onkoba, MCA Nyacheki, Honorable Karen Magara, a nominated MCA from PDP, Honorable Joseph Sonia, MCA Sameta Mokwerero, Honorable Amos Onderi, MCA Bokimonge, and lastly, Honorable Dolphin Bwari, nominated MCA from the UDA party. Thank you. I submit the notice.
Honorable members, following the notice of motion by Honorable Lilian Gor and the importance of the matters at hand, I now suspend the House for further 30 minutes to allow the House Business Committee to allocate the business time. Stand up.